Here, to common so and say, Mamenka say, non pepe will cross over to NLA for your live feed, no, ye change Oshebre, you know, the Mula power, ye Pemula. It's a change Oshebre na the wako game pack for another Monday to Friday, 9, 12, and 6 live feed. I be pick from ye dema wonso wabro na obono. When you get me, we pay on Tishan to say, non pepe will cross over to NLA. Now, for the game pack for you, media only, Debia Dano, de abroad, what I'm saying. Pay for former ambassador to India, Era Sampiali, Atanasi Sansona, and for Alfred Thompson, National Communications Team member, and so Atanasi. My main can Kyle say a prayer for your kids, Kodao Cultural BC in Soreno, a key. Na fi de beye musuni esambia no empire titru wona etwansu atena moto achi na ebinu so omonante kwansi himbe de wansa no akotwero so we no sa ankeka ho ne eye mo na ntimi nya bi wanso tope waka akire ontimi nya wo hwe ne fault you know nti yensere so nya mebe ko mu emwa obi bia mo attitude na bia kokama de toso biem so eye Ghana for adehye nso a wono so etime free Ghana afa from akopi ewo English amanone sa anamontuwe ni munyam shekese pa Ghana na ayadisua kese so pa Ghana ene ye nipa ewo mse bibia odisi wani so bia no ade a okase obeye nko ade a na ye papa nko ade a ade a betima so at the appropriate time be this and common but say be catch us say na BC so he no ekoso ba bia no Isaac no menyo quickly ebedin komo ba community na fe asa to comes I match up to say
madam Faustina emi ta let me
hello
yes sir
I boko there
okay
yeah who here
hello
I could me kan
yes sir
but what me kan okay
hello yes sir
what me kan
so they mete wonka
na if na way you so when you try na dey way
amore fabre biom
me say if na wa meti dey be wachi
amore se sia me wo Aboase class the senior high school CKC centers ni binom a ye nuanom na omo se BC so hwe na se no centers ne baako MC BC our Aboase is na Brase Bejani owa any education director ne mpinifo ne nkwada no kata eno dede na wote ewo akire
I see eti die poti no mo ye bere nso se obehye so na se ana
yes
amore sabe na se line break takra
me se bere be no woni hye nso na se
Obama benya ne kese nonkron na enne exams no ebe safie ewa ha na Aboase Easter omo ankwala mako apem ahankron ene edio 24,924 ene wo mo etro ewa ha ewa sentence mako woche ene wo Aboase Easter ha uba care center ye kan ekoye ho Atek senior high school eno no ewo asonkore ye ko hono na nkola no bebre na na ho na omayeme lihu baako akora wanyem abayo baako wanyem adefu no aba na bi director se na omu nim se obi nyem dada na no dabi sa kola no de na wanyem ye no o school iti na guest coordinator records awo ye nyina kire se omu ni obi a wanyem ta no peye na akande pie mu e center ha omu ehu se wono de wanyem a wode aba be pie mu e wa ha wode etro eye ensohwe no dara kana manya ne ntie se omu bibia da na kwemu a womo eba ababetro na oman ageba kwa me dime mi so fomo hwe eye pa ne se center bi gina sesi eye CKC center ha aha de me fa ne se eye kakra ne sampa bo echen kwara no ebi die kwa ye strippers e na bi kwa se chale wati na omo de babetro ensohwe no na wo se bi no se bi yo ntade se bi no kura mpo na se bi enhwe dan so jasa ɛna ebi wosa hyɛ aha me gyina sisi no ebinom socks kura no mo hyɛ socks no yɛ fiɛ bi ɛna bebree wɔn a sɛ de make sɛ person na ila na sisi wɔn a ebi gyina na no pa na me nyamre ne nkola ne bi di nkɔmɔ ebisa wɔn sa hoboa bɛn ɛnɔma yɛ ɛnɔm so osisi adeɛ wɔn ayɛ ahoboa na ma bibi atom ne mu mpanimfoɔ wɔn anya ne nteɛ sɛ afewe ɛsɔhwɛ no ɛyɛ soronko ne soronko ɛyɛ nyinaa ne sɛ wɔn kyerɛ sɛ first no obi ti bi de apɔɔba ne afa firi ha ne yɛde akɔmɔ obi ɔbɛbi foforɔ na sɛ wɔn ayɛ ne nie beebi a sikesi one class koraa na nkɔla no wa sɛ question answer no na question no obiara on a different sabia one question na obiara be ye de menso de tie nie one paper so paper na say candidate 1 yi wo ha na number exam question no who dey betu akwa number yi na number 8 dem che extra it is a woni na do ani koto apo so say we dey ye nyina dey paper 8 answer question A and obi abeya obeti it wo munyi o magen free sa apo so no ene ade o mo so mpa dey ato o ni
wadaro ma sabra bi no manyo o se dey wo mo dey ne be economy as o say
so me tunke ya ade a mo se afiwe eye soronko ewo eye nkola no bi fi ya o mo yere ne se ebi a English ni ya questions no ni nyina obi ade English memmo no the answer sheet no so no question A ebi a what is your name question A here the what is your name no e dey akomo wo paper question yi A wa ha na so akoye yi obi foforo index number so it ni nyina nsi so bi a what is your name obi a what is your name question A there at the depth that time me tell that na atuwe ade Adom TV so ni ehwe wa ye nyane abiwe bi ababi si no questions no kire mu kakra
an shafi afui in film ni last 2 years BEC exam na region bia question different but the same level of difficulty and last year objective exams, the arrangement was done on district basis. And be a many nearby district, and as a district, I'm in the share borders. Yeah, mathematics, 40 objective questions. Last year, the CN said question 1, or what is it? Maybe another question 3. Question 2, or what is it? Over could be a what municipal, another question 20. And what is question now the Quakum, another what municipal, another comma or ma. Arrangement is different, welcome Kodano. Now feed the minister may appear and say, even within the same examination room, unsanifa and on Sabin the Otibin Kumini fan, which are when you hear no questions are answer arrangement near completely different from Moody. And you always answer question 1, no catch the one. If you are on the paper, say question 13, and I also again say question 1. A bassa, what do you know? And the no, I ever say, I see we. It's answer sharp the last 2 years. I feel we the end of and that is how the arrangement is going to be. Okay. Minister realization. And then I expect it to be a
okay, so Isaac Nomanyo, Medasi, but when he brother so about you when this was sorry you. I mean, you should now Kubuza Comlas and take question 1. I want you to say, a Sarah Diana Bono, what Tikura, and Tiene Waboka. Well, Isaac Medasi, a Kotamale, Eliasu, good morning. Upon to say, hello, Eliasu. Now, Northern Region, am I ready for BC?
Am I ready for BC? None of it.
I see. Omako through a young training Bibia Kama, and the Abacran say, Eliasu, question 1. I want to question one bit my question 13 or maybe one or much I don't want to know much wrong.
My no question me, ya buy and climate say, and church be a was a Omudu Mukomuno, Omudi Omafum. Now, me were business senior high school center back on Bisco. And I am trying to be a chair and the instructional be a Hana Muse. Now, ya buy no, ya baby who say, it be a near bra, omugusu edi baba pa ha se bia de omusua na no poi no ebetimi atoa ma omo ana sesen na esisie na so he omo ahoboa e wo hanom a yahu se omo na hanom no ebi aba ebi kwa na mu a omuwura mu kwa sesi ai na empeni ma yesi asese ye kan say exam no be sa se 9 o'clock ene anopai ye ba bedru hanom no yahu se ahokeka no e wo so a school kwa no aba obi a ne bedi nkomo bia wo arehyiemu se obetimi atra twani a obetimi anya enkunimdie e wo afi exam tia omo ba betwe mu na ebra na ye ne womo a omo eda ha ne bi atwe nkomo no mo kire se omo no enam se omo beda ha ntu no omo no ase anadwunu nyina de omo timi de ya dodo na no ese omo sua ade a omo warehye nta bi omo sua no ebetimi ato afamu ne na bibia etimi akotote na oman hene se wo hwe wo mo sade ye hwe wo mo ha kwan o mafa so bepia o mo dressing ene de keka ho a wo mo a obia fini school mu na aba nti school atade na wo de beba na empaboa no nsem ne de ebi hye empaboa black ena ebi so no different colors white green color bia bi ewom na socks no so no white ne na dawson nenso no ebi hye black ebi hye green any colors ahodo bebre ne mo hwe a empaboa no socks ne de white no na dawson a meka ne say tanse no ena yahu mi besi a esanse anya ensha afese o mo betre nti no ye nsha da hu se ebre no ebeso no ma sha afese wo ha ana bibi foforo a ye di ani bedi achi no ma nta wo hwe achievement ha nyina enkra ne o mo ba betena atwe BC social bi no GES ma ye afese 31,534 candidates ena ene omo betena atwena memma ewom no 16,528 ena ye memma wom na emma no so no 15,006 ena omo so emma ene no omo ba betwe omo na hwe stations ana say full can say exam centers ahodo a ewo achievement ma we bisco free hono ma no bisco enso exam center Punta Malsini High School so exam center tanso ena Savilgu Yendi ene Tamaso ene Emiankai bebre ho a exam centers a ene anopai Northern Regional Minister Yewura Sani Alasan Shaibu wone education penny phone bi ede o mani be trim asha self Savilgu omufri omeko Punta Male ansa na omaba no bisco ene awie na omaba be omeko aso akopim se fiala ebedu a French a omobetre.
Okay, so Eliasu mamena say odi free Tamale me ho dia koso honom yebeba back to studio but before yebeba no Awuku Malik Awuku minyano mi hu na ache na boko de
Yami Adom ma hene boko.
Hello Awuku.
Hello ma hene.
Oh, Awuku menteunka.
Hello.
On foot.
Hello, am I in?
Yes, Awuku meteunka kasa. Aha, mesi boko de.
Am I in Yami Adom bibia boko?
Very good. Na Kumasi de e kasa e de na ekoso.
Am I in Oba Kumasi a BC na me no kasa me wo wewe so MA Basic School. A just Sabley and Afena schools by 13 eba betro exam so ha say no.
Reso na na ade infonyina banana. Eno infonyina da wono.
I say ohwa afena mu nyina ba be shia. E wa ha say. Afena mu nyina ba be shia 13 schools ana eba wewe so MA Basic School ha say ya. On ba be ye sohwe no. A mo hwe ni mu say addition for be ye 439 and betimi aba ha say. Yeni mpanyifo di nkomo mo de atudwa se ade ba ko a wo mo ehwe anim ne se wo mo enhye socks enya ade be mo kwan mo ma hye socks e de akoka so ye ma kwan ma mo resource bia wo ho ana fe so no enya ade be ma kwan mo ahye mpaboa bia se campus ana se school ana se bia sa ye ma kwa ma wo enhyenko na supervisor wa ha say be person ni di nkomo kakra na wono ankasa eka kakra ekire ye opanyini anopai ye ma wache aba Adom TV so
yeah
ye so se bia bokode
oh nyankopon yeah
na ye hwe ene ana ye share exams nase say na preparations ni sitie
well you to me yeah Friday near be final preparation concerning writing of names, arranging of tables and chairs. And anope your body and the chain. If she ewaha, Nkolano Bay Assembly. 439 candidates I expect to say on Bay exams no we will so MAGHS. MP so I my masset into anope a better masset no at the Ama and Nkolano. Full room MP ne delegates our on beche masset and also. Yeah, you ready?
Ahankwana examination center na say obo for Kromia or other centers so.
Obo for Kromia, I think about 4 or 5 centers. We were so KNUST GHS, KNUST SHS, St. Louis SHS, and Akedu MA Basic.
So what so far morning crying kita hudie ni ade bia hunu say ehu bi wo mu anase preparations mock ni ade amaye ni ti no enkra no mo confidence e was
oh ngwara confidence no was pa Friday cry ba ye adwuma na hu say confidence was so ano pains when say binum na uncompleted building na si wo ho no binum kra wo mo sua de and there is no fear in ngwara no
so kwa other centers ni bia teacher mo nkron kitwa no ebi fi ba bi beda ba bi se bia mba ni amon ba bi ada aha sei ebi tesa na sa high community ni na wo city centers
oh da bi the greater Kumasi obi an fi ba bi obi an fi ni fie na ba
it is sad and the muni aso de bia o
David
eti amahene sabe
mamena wase wa adwuma pa watima ye dia man ye free Kumasi ye be rem quickly e wo Kasoa na ya hwede e koso e wo honom Kofi se otimi ka ma che
amahene mejoso
hey me te wo ka che papa
me se ho ya me to nka che na me to nka kra
yes there's a Kasoa bibia e kama wo hono no bibia e kama wo no
bibia e boko na before me back Kasoa me ko gomo East and na pie mu Kasoa
all right
na gomo East ana me no tase ma ko pie mu gomo Abuduata na headmaster our Abuduata aban suku ano me no ka headmaster no e hwen ba bia e hunu wa hye yi no amafo bon tu justice ni nyane se amahe enkwala na headmaster ndi o musika se okwa register mu no enkwala no makoma miensa abasesi a me no ka sei enya dia headmaster no register mu ebusa na osisika no upfront system takra
oh
etino ama sesi enkwala no address kuntan mi friwa na ma be pio ka so enkwala na address gina ho no mu a ye headmaster so meka bibi headmaster efo ahiagbe ye na ye hunu ni nyane se tika na ojiji se okwa register BC enkwala na government school enkwala no makoma miensa enkwala no edin enim ene da nyumire ene chese headmaster no call awofo ne ba ku fie e be ka che ma amene se opane chewa ne ba no tika omoje se okwa register no tika no afa ne ntase enti opa mo chew ne ba no de wonti ntwe nti ne kwa kama kwara ne nyale ne ko tworo ezan se ko basa na so be shi ana ma amene chese no bi awaji mi basika mock fee 25 cities o sa je mock fee akola bia mock fee 25 cities e me ko aban ti nyi obi asika o ma ni 25 cities ama wi wasan waji bibia so kwa register kwala no uwie ya ne ba nka ho nti o ka che ma me na ma me so nti acha no pe ma me na dwale ne ba no adna ba school mu ha center wa ko se ne ba no metwe ba index no mani wo ya ho kwala mi nu so aba omo so ko ya omo index number ensu ni wa dia dance fefe se e kwala mi ensa ne sisi ano omo diga identify omo de enya de ne omo twiro bia omo nyo no ba ba twiro omo pan enyina kuta omo ane omo ahina aka omo ntemu a exams no omo ntimi twiro bi san headmaster je omo sika wa register omo.
Wow. Apart from this challenge, any other challenge?
Oh, so see, the no ka say the challenge bi no. Esi ano Kasoa na mabepio Kasoa nipa twiro exams no 8760 and twiro member omo 4207 and a ma wom 5,553 and extra exams in the private schools no and gwala wom 4,579 and a public schools no there and gwala 4,181 and this year no ovia and gwala no the private school from gwala those government schools no and omo extra one say and these schools were extra class 292 and extra class so afi and I ya bo and to another say we are between a PM say Santa Bacoa kind-hearted international school and no work as of alcohol and no case and Gualano Omaba Assembly and Gualani Hona examiners no na so mo be exams so e2 omofo na afi enchebia no ma share exams na ndoma hinso bibia ni ho dia samre egusu aye nemu a
okay Kofi medase mejidi se wi ebesa na wahia wasa nkomo prem to breka se na afo tim de koso de abre but ye beda Adom City Estate for access on kai se and open 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom executive detached. If it's 300,000 Ghana cedi ikono obi tim de nya de eda wakoma so pa free one wo 0308250068 etwa yen ba ye ba ye to en komo no so an say
Mufua who then Inshira student.
Yeah.
Because Odu exams day now. I am ayatite. Insium po insium and in hubi abeshomo. But this is the teacher from near Umuna and continue home. Because you best search one panties, you buy them on show. Emotional balance. From our exams today, I also believe there be a parents is why one nakasa. But above all, I'm thinking there. By now, textbooks are from what is school. Because a textbook in new school, as all you are doing that I'm on pass questions. Past questions will help you when it comes to only the objective questions. But so one more is in the drawer. What the teacher has given you, one questions what research I have from the textbooks. No, Oboa. I wish them well. From here, what next? That's my problem. ABC, we are secondary school. After secondary school, university. After university, what next? So I like your call there. What is the program? What is the program? Because when I went to India, in 30 years, they know what their human resource requirement will be. How many doctors do we need? How many lawyers do we need? Especially IT, how many do we need for our national program? In fact, the NDPC, is that NDPC?
Development plan.
Development planning. There, in 20 years, Ghana should be here. So then we train the human resource.
But we don't have it.
We don't have it.
Oh, we have it.
Oh,
if we have it,
it's not you.
It's not you.
We have it. It is not influencing.
Thank you.
It's not impacting.
That is a
so we don't have it.
No.
If we have it,
we are not using it.
There are two different things: having it and using it. You have it, but you are not using it.
But clearly, once there's no impact.
But when Nimoy Thompson developed the 40-year,
the CPP man, the PNC or CPP.
There was the chairman of the NDPI.
Yeah, I know that he was with the economic something.
Yes, he developed a 40-year plan. But when you obey,
someone handing over my omo.
Yes, they believe in manifestos, but a manifesto cannot develop a country. Manifestos are used to win elections. But
the development that tells us that by the close of 2030, we have almost 2,000 or 100,000 people who will be entering this, who will be passing here, who will be doing this, will be empowering these people and all this.
Way back in 2013, I read that India will want to put space, go take part in the space. Today they are in space.
That's a plan.
That's the plan.
They work towards it.
How many be a plan? Money be a
before you get it, planning.
Then so the grade here, and we don't get it. Say we cannot develop with this mentality. We don't get it. That's why my worry is. So if you look at everything, we are going on reverse year. Total reverse year. Let me talk about education. When we did the O level and A level, yes, the reforms, did them there. So today, the private schools, the top private schools, across the international, they are now charging us huge sums of money
for the old system.
So all this talk about education, whatever it is, if we remove it from the political context, you real value. It's if we said, say, as a country, look at how many people are writing these exams? How many people are writing these exams?
Thousands.
Are we ready for them at secondary schools?
When they are exiting SHS. When they are exiting university. When they are exiting after university, what's the plan?
So the education strategy does not fit into our development program. That's where the problem lies. So, we are doing well, but actually some questions, just security, election security, the examination security, not so. But what is the head of the children?
Thompson.
Good morning, Oma, good morning. Me Krumni, Ambassador Sampi Yali.
Banker. Can you hear?
Krumni.
Banker.
Yes, small boy. Meeting a yes, small boy. Meeting a yes, small boy. Remember, me was 80 years. Into them, yes, small boy. Meeting a make do retirement age very soon. Into my brother opinion. Into find them. Correct me, me your uncle. Me your uncle. Micha when I work here, especially the people of Cape Coast and Central Region. Zamekanye there, baby, we do in Bra, Moframan, Zawishan was school in a workers of one ashe. As a cry or ho him man, ni corruption or cheating, and cheating is more like corruption. Or no from incantity. Na I starting kakra say wokocho nso hwa na ikebi so bi there o number 1 and answer na then na wa betro so ta so nta so me yejuman one time bi na obi betina me nyim na obi sa me there says ya ma ye hoti onanka me ye me doctorate na ono betro bibiara am na at the end of the day wa award him doctorate na mbisa ne there na say awukosua as a chro na as nyina how would it impact on the worker merba be nature na ho no hwe menyim na meka che na you know what I don't believe in big titles. I believe in performance because I'm coming from a background that you should show and exhibit what you can deliver. It's a message from man. Don't see failure as an end result. Men dream they say echo nde na eka fail exams na no ye nanyen. There's always an opening. A kwan bi beboy. E betum aye bibi foforo. Obetum ama okwan mpo ma awankasa etina ho na ebisa monde. E hemfa na meye anabaze na meye na manye ni ye. Na ezewunan esisi ye. Ye hia obiara wo mani mu moframa nyina mpanyimfo nyina. Na ye hia adwen kro. Na yen stade yer sesa yen su na yen ban na ekwan ada ho ma mpuntu kese wa ba omani mu because at the end of it all the new oman biara brim wo biara chi the Ghana man yen penyimfo a worba daache onye yen boframa a worba abazi na ye jama won ma ho so abachi ado ye besre ho ma won ma de woko wie wo exams mu ana woko bisa obi obeye when it's banner will be in there. But focus on what you are doing. Don't be scared. Oh yeah, sometimes echo exams room akumantumpo or to draw as area. Don't be scared. this is not a life and death issue. Or here, there be a pass, but it's not a life and death issue. It's BBRA, EBIA, Obama, Okwan, Mpuntu, so Abawabra boom. So focus and deliver. And I wish you all the best. I know you can do it. Trust in God, pray, and bring out everything you've learned. Say the anka no puna ete the teacher ka wo classroom ekeya I will truck home. Ebia ono no Obama pass.
Okay, so we are doing purely politics. Game Park, Yepemula, live at Bebro, 9-12-6. Now, yes, it's now Shebre on daily basis. This is so beautiful. Maybe this is why I can't say, oh, train live feed. No, we are doing politics this morning. Yakaga na huasem kakra ya manyo sema nkasa ya da Adom City Estate for RCP, and where I have an interest because I have been an advocate for that, but it's the Council of State for the Nchirimuaba. Your Excellency Chechemu, the Council of State has responded to the petition from the National Democratic Congress regarding the approval of Dr. Peter Apiahene and Hajia Salima Ahmed Tijani as members of the Electoral Commission. The Council firmly stated that the recommendation for approval cannot be reviewed. In a letter addressed to the NDC, the Council explained that once it had thoroughly assessed the CVs of the nominees and provided its advice to the President, the process was deemed complete. The subsequent swearing in of the appointees further solidified the Council's role in the appointment process. And I quote, as you rightly stated in paragraph 8 of the third page of your letter, the President having sworn into office the two individuals, the Council of State has become functus officio in the process of the appointment. It is therefore not possible to review the recommendations already made by the Council to the President. Chairman of the Council of State stated, Nano Tosubo. The Council emphasized that it is not within its jurisdiction to review recommendations once they have been submitted to the President and acted upon. So that's the position of the Council of State on this matter.
Legally, that's how it should be. But let's go back to what the NDC was talking about. The NPP in opposition. The Charlotte say, Ninywa to the stand there. Petition grana wa Troyan. Imagine. Name the signatories grant. Some were dead drivers and others. And so man paying gina do the use a lot of say. And a year huni there a rabbi was not better than Nin some kakana ninzi yen. This is the first time I election now. Yen election result. I have more than one. And see, and you saw me in there. Electoral Commission should be an independent, above-board organization. This will declare the results. Then you know you there. Some more time. Your woman, no man paying. Okay, a bench be from the Longa Halfway region. Now, on record, with videos and audios, Dan Papan had been a very loud and spoken member of the NPP communications team. They even denied that on your 10 executive, but we proved to them that you're 10 executive. So our view was that Enani Alwakafa was Manasari, who was a 10 president, 10 TESCON executive. Nowadays you can't come home. It appears that they were packing the Electoral Commission with pro-MPP people. So that was our complaint to the Council of State. But I agree with the Council of State there. Once they have approved the president's nomination, now wako reversing it will be something.
But what continues to be the work of the Council of State? Is it that
constitutionally the president will appoint in consultation with the Council of State? The platform has been laid there. Council of State, what bit say? Or appoint some Yale to a certain place. Somebody, oh no, some Yale is a known political person, it's an NDC person. and I didn't catch a baby or a neutral now. It may not fit well. I mean, the master one car, and the Council of State on John Walker, I'm finding Ejuma Kora. Although they did Ejuma, because the Council of State is supposed to advise President, yet and the Constitution will not have added Council of State there when you baby. The secretary will release one role only to reviewing CVs there. Then we have a problem. Because Obiara President Bagada of appointing or CV. So why you guys of school in here? Sometimes some CVs, my experience is there. Obi on pocket or school ever heard that one school. But on the face of the recording, you are accepting. But you have to do background investigation. So Council of State were investigation about what we are talking about before they approved appointment. I bring just one year or a neutral, but on several platforms.
This is the person who is.
We are talking about. Anyway. And if the Council of State is minded there, or keeping an electoral commission friendly, the neutral, then these things would have been done. We have made our complaint, they have decided, but it's our hope there. His technical nature, his technical nature will be of benefit to Ghanaians in terms of elections, instead of his political nature creating disunity in this country.
Okay, so Ira Thompson.
But before I end, maybe if you are somebody over home, you know we are paying for street lights.
Exactly.
We are paying for street lights.
So,
yesterday I drove in I drove from Tema to Accra.
And so,
from I had to Dansuman. All the street lights were off.
That's true.
Why are our street lights off and we are paying street light levy? Why?
Okay, so this
is national fraud.
Unacceptable.
Unacceptable. It's national fraud, and it should be whoever is in charge.
People should be held accountable. That's
so
all.
Yeah, that's
all. Just purposely for that.
Street light.
What's that?
If you motor we reba, Bob's Nalambo,
we are not responsible for each other. That's it. Yeah, Thompson. I don't know. A Council of State, a politically exposed person, echo a non-partisan commission. Why?
On my hand, oh yeah, not in some maybe, or there here can say be saying questions. There, first and foremost, is the person fit for purpose? Baby, I want you in a question, or a Ghanaian, is he fit for purpose? And now, Ebia. Yenya Ghana ni bia na yakofa obi foforo aba. Would the person be fit for purpose? Then now you scale it down. Me personally, me who there or a known NPP activist. Me jina NPP Mwacha. I've traveled the length and breadth of this country. I've never seen him say or a NPP activist. Ebia now I can be to support government's policies. That doesn't mean the person is a card-bearing member of the party. Ebia na nyimpa no opanyem bia obireye wa kan today there are personal people who personally open up na asem them into nyapore bia oye ne fe oko support na pa na oko praise na pa enche there or a card bearing member of the party. So sometimes nyama bia yenhwe ne ye. Why did I first and foremost use the word there? Is he fit for purpose? Yenyi Krum Hana ye appointed the first OSP, no fi Abra Party. Wasn't he even a vice presidential material for an opposition party? Mobwa, ma Ora Martina Medu. He was a vice presidential material for an opposition party. When they employed him as the OSP, we didn't see anything wrong with it. We didn't see anything wrong with it because we felt he was fit for purpose. Or Sefata, there was a man. Or Betuma Yejumana, or Betuma Yejuman, or Nintina was a man. Yankabi Sanade, Ora Martinamedu, a MPP ni, a MPP card, and Sana is a generation in same. Why there were there Ubiroko Electoral Commission? That is also an independent body. why there obi soro collector commissioner or there you catch there ekita MPP card ana akeka MPP nsem ansa na enyina akehye ho. Why should we be doing that to ourselves?
Well,
the first thing we should ask ourselves is the person fit and proper to be in that position?
Well, maybe,
has he got the requisite skills?
Maybe beyond the skills.
We sit here and we complain.
Maybe beyond the skills. We should be careful about how we have also treated ourselves when it shoots us, dependent on where we are standing at a particular time.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Debbie, I can say, one of the people who must suffer in this country or fit for purpose. Ibrahim Mahama, a specialized area. But you look at how your party are running down the usefulness of Ibrahim Mahama, because the term is that a PEP, politically exposed person. To the extent that almost the phrase, but for his brother. Now look at your man, Gabi Asarache Dako.
I'll bring. Let me before you go to Gabi,
look at your man, Gabi Asarache Dako. So Okujeto intro chin. Why will Okujeto be?
In his response to him.
Why will Okujeto? That response, I don't buy into it because if we are now at a point that we only have to look at Onipano, Ninim dia obetim dia boa, na yenwene whether or you're politically exposed, that's a different matter. But the requirement to the Electoral Commission, let's be fair. I know, because I'm a Bravo person, is a fully fledged MPP person.
Member.
You don't need to be a card holding member for you to be doing that. But we have a vice president spokesperson who sits on radio on Asempa, I interviewed, that you don't even necessarily have to get a card as an MPP member for you to be known as MPP need. Yeah. So Obi o defend the MPP a whole week.
What did he defend on MPP?
Almost everything that the elections,
so policies. If he sees that MPP as a part, now Obi is saying that shouldn't say anything.
Obi, you're part of my activities in the region. No, maybe you don't know him. Maybe
I've been to Bonga.
No, maybe you don't know him. But I'm saying that I know him. He's part of the processes of the MPP.
You even pushing for a vice presidential candidate slot for Obi from Bono. I mean, it's part of the.
Of course, that's not.
But that
is not the issue.
So when they were saying, understand where he's coming from. But maybe time there were more enough time because I seriously wasn't in tune with him so many things but me is in a meeting. What I am saying, and I
love your fit for purpose.
I will sit.
I love your
that's not fit for purpose.
No, because I love your fit for purpose. I know the own is argument, but I'll support you on any day.
But fit for purpose.
So write it down. I wrote everything down, and I'm asking my things. Let us stop Ibrahim Aseme as a baby. Who were the first people to visit Ibrahim at the Jata Cement AE? Wasn't it Osafo Mafo?
Maybe you don't have the history to it.
No,
the process. Maybe you don't have the history. You don't know what has gone into that visitation.
No, whether history or not.
You don't know what has gone into that visitation.
Oh, did they go there or not? Whether there were background machinations or there were invitations or Osafo Mafo went there. And people were praising Jata Smith. And people on platforms were saying that, listen, Jata Smith is a young boy. Ibrahim, a lovely person. No baby or Jamaica fine. Or he's so nice to everybody. He doesn't discriminate or anything. So if maybe I wrote on this mint, no, I mean, first thing, let me tell you something. One of the things I made a pioneer there. So we got to baby I made to Ghana, made in Ghana Zen first. If there's mint, Gasem, other places, and all these other Chinese meat, I'll buy Jata and leave the rest.
Don't be worried. Don't
so
be
let us go back to the point in there. Listen, at the end of it, is the person fit for purpose?
I buy that.
He's looking for a purpose, IT related. Why should now we go and say easy or awesome party inti? Awesome party inti ma onye ejuma. Awesome party and now I praise party binti ma onye ejuma. Let us stop this. We are always complaining and saying that let us put the right people there so that the country will grow. There is practice. But we say it and then we go and hide and we start calling people names. Afia. Then my president or first OSP. He took an NDC person.
But the point is
the party people weren't happy.
The point is
but he said that the man is fit for purpose.
The point is that is why Okobebia Yeden Shishaya to Jose. Ubia Obekwa electoral commission Ejumaku no Boko Kahono. As I say, Ghana for the donor Timiji Tum say, for a man. There is a reason to that. For next year you may be fit for purpose as the commissioner of the electoral commission. But clearly, see the Alfred Thompson now say electoral commissioner, Ghana's electoral commissioner. Oh, Minia. Now
he would even praise me because he knows that I have a straight A. Am I a witness? I don't care where you are coming from, whether you are party or party.
Am I a witness?
This world, Muna, a vice president be the president, or if you do not pushing them by my woman house arrest. Where was it? One of these African countries. Men care which particular African country.
So in fairness, you think the one the person is fit person?
Whether the person, once the person goes there and he sees that, listen, I have to work for the interest of the nation. The person will work for the interest of the nation.
Okay.
You can take, listen, I can take a known NDC person. Men you back at na if I find the Gapo Hana baby.
Even perception about these are MPP people, NDC people, a lot of victims by perception. They are fit for purpose. But where you have placed them as we speak now, as a government, you have an idea.
Listen, when I went to my former place of work, NIB, you call hon, ni pakra na oye MD, no ye NDC nya. Your NDC na one appointed na. He was appointed by NDC, but the president said, leave him there.
No, it's a different thing when the appointment is done and it's perceived that this is an NDC person who would usually be to just a table. I have almost about 8 very fit for purpose personalities, high-ranking top officers.
I am giving you a top officer, major there. Such a person, NDC for now, bank will be easy. Obeka didn't know he should go home, but we left him there. He worked. I went to work under him.
Oh gosh.
I went to work under him. And I don't see what is wrong with AE there. Yebeka there. This person is fit for purpose. In Jogo Yedemejuman. Now, my friend, Council of State. They have a time limit in doing their work. If you want to challenge anything, you send it before they even sit and approve this person.
But are you worrying that the Council of State looks at only CVs and approve people to such sensitive?
I don't believe.
Very worrying.
I don't believe that they only look at CVs.
But that's exactly what they read.
They said that they've looked at the CV and everything. Don't tell you the other things they did.
If other things are in,
they have BNI reports.
No, if other things are in, and they still believe that he should go and.
They have BNI reports and everything.
Mr. Thompson, you see, what we are doing now, no, I
know, and
whether the NDC comes to power today or tomorrow or not.
What is wrong is wrong.
I'm saying that the NDC appoints Ufusua Mpofo as electoral commissioner. How would you feel? Say, or fit for purpose.
If he's fit for
purpose. Running elections in this country.
If he's fit for purpose. Why not?
Hey, Benedict, you're not going to know.
One point Charlotte said, "You lose elections."
Me see, the way you are sitting here talking, we are writing today's date down.
No, I'm asking you a thing there. Didn't they appoint Charlotte say, and they still lost elections over 1 million votes? Listen, Nanado can even go and bring his brother. If we lose elections, we'll lose elections.
But that is not what we are talking about. That's not a country that is built on rules and regulations.
I'm telling you that when the person is
let's not overlook the rules and regulations and keep talking about fit for purpose. No.
So the rule says that the person should not be a card-bearing member of any party. Is that what it says?
I'm asking just a simple question. Who are comfortable with who's for example of the electoral commissioner?
I'm saying that.
No, we are comfortable with that. And then we can proceed.
No, I'm saying
are you comfortable?
Let me answer you.
No, are you comfortable?
Let me answer you.
No, this is a yes or no matter.
It's not a yes or no.
Why?
The
same council of state can say, or you're fit for purpose. Are you going to raise objection about that?
Essay question. Now, what's the answer the objective? With the case of essay question, now what's the answer the objective?
With the case of Charlotte, it was not just fit for purpose.
Oh, boy.
They even attacked her womanhood.
Yo, nobody attacked them.
You don't know.
You why? Why do you come to TV stations?
No.
No.
Things have passed.
No. No, but for the records
are
her
there.
personality.
One person
her personality.
the person who did
No,
that.
I'm
One
saying
person did that.
not for the records. It's important
No,
for the records.
one person did that.
Which one person?
And that person, we all condemn that what he did was wrong.
So let us not go into that. I be seeing the time now. We'll cross over to game NLA now.
Just before you go, Alasan Suleiman or your assemblyman or anti-military,
Alasan Suleiman.
Alasan Suleiman.
We say Kauka Hausa catches we in your baraka the sala. Unim Hausa happy birthday.
And then the birthday mention of happy birthday and
I go to India. I went to India crack. Okay, we crossing over.
What can happen?
Game park. Yeah, Pemula. Yeah,
no, my young.